Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more videos. Hello again everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be telling you how to make hemp milk. But before we get into today's video, if you wouldn't mind, smack that subscribe button if you're new here to the channel. And if you've already subscribed, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up to show your support. I would appreciate it, folks. Alright, so today this is one of my favorite recipes I've been working on for a while, and I'm so excited to share it with you finally. Today I'm going to be making hemp milk, and it is the simplest, the easiest way that you can have milk in an hour in your home. Now, for those of you that don't want to try CBD, don't have a need to try CBD, or are scared to try CBD for employment reasons, which is perfectly understandable, this is a great way to support hemp as an industry. And if you're worried, but you love to support the cause, if you're worried about using CBD, but you love hemp and cannabis industry, this is the way to support. And I think this is a great way into the future for the United States as a hemp whole. I think this is going to be something you're going to see on store shelves very soon. But for now, you're going to have to make it in your home because you can't find it in your grocery store. So today I'm going to be showing you the easy way to make hemp milk, and it is absolutely delicious, guys. I'm super excited about it, and I can't tell you guys how easy and simple this recipe is. I mean, yeah, of course, going to the grocery store and getting almond milk, and I'll tell you my spiel about almond milk, great, love it. I've been drinking it for years, but it's not good for the environment, guys. If you look into it, it devastates the salmon rivers, and that's why a lot of the salmon stocks in California are low. I mean, it's not the sole reason, but it definitely plays a role, guys. So I think this is a more sustainable plant-based milk, and it supports the industry we all know and love. And so let me take you into the kitchen. Let me show you how to make it. It's really easy, guys. A super sustainable way to make milk. So let's get right into it. So now that we've talked about this recipe, I want to show you how to make it, how simple it is. And quite honestly, guys, this is something that everybody can use. If you're not into CBD, this is a way to support the hemp industry. Now, unfortunately for us, I could not source any local food hemp seeds, so I did get these at our local Walmart, believe it or not. Now, they are a product of Canada, but that's the situation we're in here in the United States. We don't have a lot of resources to get the food hemp to the market. And I think that's really going to change in the future, guys. So this is what we're using. Now, the cool thing about hemp milk is it's super sustainable, right? I think I've talked about it in other videos. Almond milk and cashew milk and all these other ones are great, but those come from trees, large irrigation systems out west that deplete, the salmon rivers of water and all kinds of things. And it's just not as sustainable as hemp. Hemp is a renewable yearly crop. So this is way more sustainable. And I think it's a lot healthier, guys, when it comes to like the omega fats and stuff like that. So let's get right into the recipe, guys. Super simple. Now, you don't need a magic butter machine to do this recipe. But as always, guys, I always have a magic butter machine. So I want to make sure that you can use another kitchen gadget, but I always use this, and I always recommend this because it makes my life so much easier. So the first thing you're going to need to do is measure out 1 cup of hemp seeds, and you're just going to pour them right into your magic butter machine or blender, whatever you have. Like I said, I know certain people do use blenders. And then you're going to take 4 cups of water, and you're just going to pour it right in. All right, then all you're going to do is go ahead and cap your magic butter machine or your blender or whatever you're using. You're going to plug it in, and of course, it has all the settings. So for magic butter, we're only going to do 1 hour with no heat. So no heat is an option. We're going to hit 1 hour, and that's it. So I'll see you in an hour so you can see the hemp. Alright, folks, now that the magic butter machine's at work, so I will see you in another hour to show you the end result of hemp milk. I think you guys are going to love it, so we're going to cut to that next. Alright, folks, it's been an hour, and the magic butter machine has turned off, and we are ready to take a look at our milk. And guys, this is the coolest part about it. Now, I've been working on the recipe for a little while now, and I gotta say, this is the cool part. I'm gonna show you guys. Take a look at that. Look at that frothy goodness. It is so good. So anyway, wanted to show you that froth that the Magic Butter machine makes. It's absolutely beautiful. And so now we're going to do what we do every time we make something in this. We're going to go ahead and strain it. So as you can see, using a different filter than I normally do with a lot of my oils. This is a very fine filter. And the reason why I use a very fine filter is because this is milk. I don't really want anything in it other than liquid. So that's why I use the finer filter for this. And the seeds can get chopped up pretty small. So that's what's left in the bottom, guys, not much. So now that everything is filtered out, you just go ahead. Now I'm not using the Love Glove because this is for me. So again, don't have to worry about any kind of issue sanitation wise. And as you can see, it's taking a little while. But that's okay. So I'm going to put it back in the machine here real quick to let it drain so I can show you guys. It takes a little longer. We had a little bit of spillage. But that's okay. Get that cleaned up. So while we're waiting for that to filter, this is your end result. Absolute beautiful milk. And I'm going to pour it in a glass for you and show you how awesome this stuff is. Now, the reason why you don't have to use the Love Glove, guys, is because there is no heat applied when making this. So here you go. Cheers, folks. Here is some hemp milk. Been working on this for a while now. I'm excited to bring it to you guys. Very good, very good. Now, it has like a nutty flavor. It's very, what's the word? It's very fruitful in its taste. It's not like almond milk where you don't really taste the almonds. In the hemp seed milk, you definitely taste the hemp seed, but hemp seed tastes very close to walnut, at least to me. So if you like walnuts, I think you'll love hemp seed milk. But that's the recipe, folks. It's an absolute easy recipe. And again, it's a great way to support the hemp industry and a great way to change up your diet at home and more sustainable and quite honestly better for you than almond milk. Now, it does have more calories if you're worried about that. But the omega fats, the calcium, all plays a huge role in hemp seed. And guys, you just take a look at the back of the bag. It's full of good stuff. You know, it's got a great amount of magnesium. It's got iron, all the good stuff that your body needs. It doesn't have a lot of calcium in it, but, you can always drink regular milk for that. This isn't to replace dairy as a whole. But, again, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Go ahead, make some hemp milk for yourself. I know you'll love it. And again, you can always find us on Facebook, Instagram. Leave a comment below if you guys have any questions about this recipe. And well, folks, that's today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. It's super easy to make at home, and you guys should at least try it. I think you'll really like it. And again, it's really just easy to make at home. It's in an hour. You have plant-based milk, and you can't go wrong with it. But again, I want to give a big thank you to magicalbutter.com, or the Magical brand itself now. They have been super supportive in sending accessories and always giving us tips on their website for recipes that I usually try to improve upon here at home. So I want to give a big thank you to the Magical brands. And as always, guys, if you guys want to see more stuff in the kitchen, feel free to leave a comment below. Send me an email with any suggestions or recipes that you would like to see me make here on our YouTube channel. I'll be more than welcome to hear any kind of recipe that you have. But that's all I have for today, folks. I really hope you did enjoy today's video. And on your way out, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you in another video. Take care. Thanks for watching today, folks. As always, find us on Facebook and Instagram. Those links are always in the description below. Take care.